Good morning.
Good morning.
Here he is. We are here. We are alive.
I'm sat on the sofa again.
We are going for a walk today at Friston Forest, aren't we, Lucas? Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna. Still got this cough. We are going to let them have a nap, which is probably going to be around 12. Wake them up at 1. Nanny. Come here then. Ready? Right. So we're going to let them have a nap. Wake them up at 1. We're going to be ready for that time.
Yeah, ready to go.
And then we're going straight to Friston Forest to go for a walk. Away! Yeah! Yeah! Look at mummy.
Yeah.
Woo, 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 woo. Both of you are getting too heavy. So, we will see you in a bit. Here we are. We are at the forest. We're at Friston Forest. And we're going for a walk. So, which way are we going? I think that way.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Lucas,
You're looking very cute, Lucas.
can you say hello? Lucas, look, over here.
Let's go then.
So, here we are.
Hello.
We're a happy family. It's always a bit of a nightmare getting it all sorted.
It's just getting around.
Hey.
When you're not feeling well yourself.
Yeah, we're not feeling well at all. But I think we're actually getting worse as well. But we got to do this stuff. Well done. These shots are so nice. You know, we thought it was going to be like really cold, but once we got out here, it's actually lovely. People down there.
She's not enjoying it.
Lily, you kitty? Lucas doesn't really want to walk. Look at his hood. We'll put this back on, probably.
Put your hat back on. Come here. Here, hold it. You do not want it on.
Is it cold? Is it chilly?
Wow.
That's a big dog. It's bigger than Kobe.
I'm here.
Back we go. What do you think of the leaves, Lucas? Hey? Go and kick him. Ready? Whoa! I think they're trying to kick him. Uh-oh! Up you get. Good boy. There you go. You can do it. You can do it. Good boy. Well done.
Come on.
Whoa.
There's another doggy.
Hello. So, sorry, we didn't really do well with our vlog today. We were just doing loads of stuff at the forest.
Yeah.
And then that was it.
It's like you want to film, but then you like want to enjoy it at the same time as well. Do you know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
you don't want to feel like you're just sitting there with the camera
No,
the
definitely
whole
not.
time.
And I think we're still getting used to this. So
The balance, yeah.
yeah. So, but I had really bad. I mean, since I got ill, my throat has been so bad, and I've always dealt with bad phlegm, like mucus. It's really horrible. But like all my life, I've suffered with it. And I've just seen like this natural remedy online with salt water and like salt steam and all this kind of stuff. So I just went downstairs and gargled a load of warm salt water.
Nice.
So, but it actually has helped a little bit, I think. Another thing is that it's coming up to Lily and Lucas's 2nd birthday, which is crazy. We're gonna have 2-year-olds.
I know.
It's nuts.
But then I feel like they're like 2 already, though. Do you know what I mean? Like they're so close to 2 now. It feels like they're
Yeah, they basically are.
basically are 2, yeah.
But it's crazy, like how much they've grown from.
Because they were so tiny, weren't they, when they were born? You know,
They were
because they
so
were really
tiny.
early. 31 weeks, or well, nearly 32.
Hmm.
I was, and they were just so tiny, and they had to be in hospital for ages, and we had quite a rough start with them, didn't we?
I feel like actually what we should do is we should explain the story of. So basically, like.
What, like a birth story? Is that what you mean, like?
Yeah, so like to do it, maybe we'll explain it in full detail at another point. But basically,
let us know if us to do that. Yeah. Like
yeah. I mean, basically, what happened was we had been saving. So me and Emily have been together for 8 years,
in April.
coming up to 8 years,
Yeah.
and we were saving up for ages to buy a house, and we finally bought this house, and it was like a massive project to do. So we were like halfway through the renovation, and then Emily fell pregnant, and it was with twins, with Lily and Lucas. So so we rushed to like finish our renovation, and we got in the house and everything. Everything's great. They're here, but it's just a bit bizarre, isn't it? Like how. And then when they're born, I mean, they were born at 32 weeks, like you mentioned, and they were in special care for like 3 weeks. So, but anyway, I'm rambling on. But yeah, maybe we'll do a video on that later down the line, just to explain our full story. Maybe.
Oh,
I've made Emily ill. I
So
think we
ill.
mentioned it before, but yeah, she's not happy with me.
Oh.
Anyway, we will see you in the next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye.